Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Comfort food like no other. This simple chicken curry is sure to become your family favorite. In the Indian subcontinent, the term shorba simply means gravy, which is more of a soupy consistency and is served with naan or a roti. Shorba can be made in various ways, and today I am sharing my family recipe. So let's go and see what we need. So things we need for this recipe will be, I have this whole chicken cut into medium-sized pieces, pre-fried onions, whipped yogurt. Then for the seasoning, I have the salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger and garlic, coriander powder, and I have these 2 cardamoms. This is optional and these are just to fragrant our gravy. And then I have this garam masala to sprinkle on top. So let's go and make it happen. So whenever I'm making any liquid shorba gravy, I always prefer to blend my basic ingredients. It's just to avoid the big chunks coming in your shorba and especially onions. So what I did, I add all my seasoning in my blender jug except the cardamoms. So I add fried onion, ginger garlic, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder in the blender jug with yogurt and some water, and start blending until everything is completely mixed and you have a smooth mixture. Then heat oil in your cooking pot and add your puree masala mixture. Stir everything until everything is completely mixed with the oil. Then add your cardamoms. As I already mentioned, these are just for the fragrance. My mom used to add, so I always add in my chicken shorba recipe. You can skip that cardamoms as well. So just bring it to a boil, stir again, and then cover and cook until oil separates and it comes on top on a very slow flame. So after like 15-20 minutes, here you can see oil is separated, it's coming on top. You can try to smell the gravy as well. If you're not smelling any raw masalas, that means your gravy is perfectly cooked. I already mentioned this, that I learned this tip from my dad. Don't rush while you're cooking your masala. Give it sufficient time, let it cook on slow flame, and if the gravy is cooked perfectly, the whole dish will turn out perfect. Since my gravy is completely cooked, it's time to add chicken. So I added my chicken into my gravy and then start cooking on medium to high flame until chicken changes its color, and it takes like 5 to 10 minutes. Then I add a cup of water and then mix and cover and let it cook on slow flame until chicken is completely tender. So after a while, when your chicken pieces are completely tender, you can check back on your gravy, check the seasoning and check the consistency. Some of the household like a very soupy kind, some like a little thick. So it totally depends on you. If you need it to be more runny, you can add more water, or on a high flame just cook your gravy until you have your desired consistency. At this time, your chicken shorba is completely done. Just sprinkle some garam masala and dish it out and serve it with naan or chapati roti. Comfort foods can be perfect for the hot months too. This fabulous chicken shorba recipe is delicious and easy, a hearty meal and a little taste of home, perfect for weeknights. This lip-smacking chicken shorba recipe is one of my family favorites, and if you try this recipe at home, don't forget to take a picture and send me on Facebook, Twitter or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.